Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to be comparing Cursor, Windsurf, and Cline to see if which one is better for 2025. So let's start with a short description of each. Firstly is the Cursor. So it is a sleek modern writing tool focused on AI-assisted coding and document generation with a minimalist interface. Windsurf, on the other hand, is a collaborative AI workspace designed for brainstorming, planning, and content generation across teams. And lastly is the Cline, which is a developer focused AI tool tailored to streamline coding, debugging, and integration with IDEs. Moving forward with its key comparison points. So let's start with the Cursor. So this one is designed for distraction free writing and coding. It also has a fast and responsive AI suggestions, and it is great for solo workflows and personal projects. So the markdown support and the minimal UI, it is also lightweight and efficient. With the Windsurf, it has a built-in collaboration and team planning tools. It is versatile for writing, outlining, and brainstorming. It is also good for managing documents and ideas across teams. So it also focused on the project organization and structure. And it also supports multiple content formats. Now with the Cline, it has a strong integration with code editors and IDEs. It is also great for generating, editing, and debugging code. And it is a developer-oriented tools and command line interface. It is fast performance and technical workflows, and it supports multiple programming languages. Now for the pros and cons. So with the Cursor, the pros are it is clean and fast interface, the excellent for writing and coding. It also is a simple and intuitive. For the cons is it is limited team collaboration features. It also may feel too minimal for some users. So with the Windsurf, it is ideal for collaboration and team projects, versatile content creation tools, organized interface for planning, but the cons are it is less powerful in coding features, can feel slower with larger documents. And lastly is the client. So for the pros, it has a built for developers and coding efficiency. It is fast and accurate AI for code. It has strong IDE integration, but the cons are it is less user friendly for non-coders, and it's also limited in content creation or planning features. Now for the verdict or the summary. So for the Cursor, it is great for focused solo productivity with a strong AI and minimal design. For Windsurf, it is perfect for collaborative teams working on content, planning, or brainstorming. For the Cline, it is best suited for developers needing deep AI coding, assistance, and IDE integration. So you can choose based on your workflow. So it depends on what you need and what you focus more. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.